If you are a startup or small business and you find yourself with tasks that need to be done, but either you haven't got the time to do them or you haven't got the technical knowledge to do them, then there is this place that's on the screen at the moment. It's called Fiverr. As you can see up here, Fiverr. So www.fiverr.com. That is the place to go. Now, why is it the place to go? Simply because people will do stuff on here for $5. They will do things in sort of British money. It's around £3.60, £3.80, something like that. There will be dearer things on here, don't get me wrong, but you can get lots of good stuff done for around about the equivalent of $5. I think it's £3.82. It says in UK. As you can see here, there's things such as I'll do modern luxury minimalist business logo, denoise, videos, audios. There's all sorts of things, unique lyric music, video animations, travel wedding YouTube video, you name it. There's loads of stuff here. And if you look across the top, graphic and design, then you've got all sorts: logo, brand identity, web app, visual, print, digital marketing, should I say. There's local SEO, wary of that. I would go with someone you actually know that knows SEO, but it's there. Marketing strategies, all sorts of stuff, writing, articles, blogs, video animation, everything. So very simply, it would pay you just to spend a little time, create a free profile on Fiverr, and then have a look at what they do, what you want, and you can always find out from a seller beforehand what it is. If they can do exactly what you want, they'll ask you to send them some information. So you can send them your idea. If you've got an image to go with it, all the better. Just tell them what you want, and they will often say on there unlimited revisions, unlimited edits, or so many edits, 3-4 edits, etc., etc. So you're not actually paying for something and then hitting and hoping. You can control the quality, control what you get. So that's Fiverr. Give it a go. It's worth a try.